This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Deforestation refers to the act of clearing trees without replacing them. This often happens when someone is creating land for uses such as settlement and cultivation, among others. Currently, it is one of the biggest threats to human life because forests provide a support system for all living organisms. Forests are a crucial element of the ecosystem, and human beings have an ethical responsibility to conserve them. However, due to natural occurrences and human activities, a lot of forest cover is lost every year. Deforestation is a global challenge that has caused a lot of pain in different parts of the world. Finding a lasting solution to the problem of deforestation is of paramount importance because its effects are unmanageable. Discussion. The challenge of deforestation has existed for centuries, leading to the loss of a massive percentage of forest cover across the world. One of the major causes of deforestation is the increasing need for fuel. It also happens due to the need for more settlement land, the growth of the global timber industry that has increased the demand for commercial items such as furniture, as well as the scarcity of adequate land for cultivation. Wildfires also contribute to deforestation, albeit in small percentages compared to the other causes. People should be more environmentally conscious because forest clearing is destroying the ecosystem. Deforestation causes serious effects on the environment. One of the significant effects is the loss of natural habitats for thousands of species. Forests are an essential support system for the livelihoods of many plants and wild animals. Climate change is also caused by deforestation. Over the last century, global weather patterns have drastically changed. Deforestation has resulted in unstable and extreme climatic conditions that have rendered life unbearable. The global temperatures have increased, while the amount of rainfall received has dramatically reduced. The lack of trees increases the effect of greenhouse gases, which in turn affects the life cycle. Deforestation also leads to a general decline in the quality of life. Trees are essential in maintaining the water cycle, reducing soil erosion, and regulating the effect of greenhouse gases. They also help to prevent all types of pollution, which is crucial in maintaining a high quality of life. This element should not be ignored because trees play an important role in the ecosystem. Effective management of deforestation will require all the relevant stakeholders to come up with a solid legal framework. Conclusion. Deforestation is a serious global challenge that needs to be addressed as soon as possible. People must understand the value of trees concerning maintaining the life cycle. This will help in encouraging good stewardship. Several causes of deforestation, for example, clearing land for cultivation and settlement, are influenced by human activities. These activities have led to severe effects such as climate change, whose effects are costly to address. Proper coordination between respective government authorities and their citizens can lead to finding a lasting solution to this challenge. It is essential to protect the forests to avoid the loss of biodiversity and plant and animal species and manage the effects of climate change. Did you like this deforestation causes and effects sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.